Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. How do I do it? Now I have this recipe to make some homemade sweet gummies that you will love both your children and you. Besides, they are very easy to do and with few ingredients. And you can make them the flavor that you like and the way you want. Without more roll, let's see what we are going to need. We are going to need silicone molds that can be of those for ice or the molds for chocolate, corn syrup, a jelly envelope that they like, flavorless granatina, cold water, and the pot where we are going to do them. Now let's see how it is done. We grab a bowl or deep plate and throw half a cup of cold water. Then incorporate a quarter of corn syrup and mix perfectly with a fork or mixer that we have at hand until we see the water clear. Since we mix perfectly, we put the liquid to the pot where we will prepare our gummies. Then we put in this case a soup of granatina, and if not 2 envelopes of those that come in box that are more or less 14 grams, and immediately also throw the gelatin envelope and mix little by little until we see lumps. Take your time because the mixture must be almost crystalline. Since we perfectly mix the ingredients and more or less it is seen how they are shown in the video, we turn on the stove over medium heat and leave it there for 5 exact minutes, stirring constantly so that lumps do not remain or burn. When the 5 minutes have passed, we continue mixing from time to time and let stand 3 to 5 minutes to cool. And we can pour the mixture into a boat of those for catsup to be able to put it in the mold. They can serve directly, but it is a bit difficult to control it. Since the mixture has cooled, we took a funnel, in this case, the one we had done in a previous video, made of a bottle of soda, and we pour the liquid into the plastic boat so that they could be able to throw it without problems in the silicone molds. Do not waste a single drop. We take the mold or molds that we want and begin to pour the liquid into the holes. Try to fill them a little more about the edge since the gum will contract a little when it comes to cooling. Let them at room temperature for 5 minutes, and then put them into the refrigerator so that the gummies are well done. This is optional since they can let them cool only at room temperature, but I feel that they are much better in the refrigerator. That's why they leave them to their liking. Since the gummies cooled for about 20 minutes, we grabbed the mold and began to take them out one. Some will cost more work than others, but only push them with confidence and go without problems. As you can see, they come out quite firm, and with the exact shape of the mold without leaving wastiness. Do it like this with all your molds and serve them. As you can see, this is how they are, and the surprising thing is that they are left with an impressive definition of the molds as shown on the screen. You can buy molds that you want, as well as animals, or the favorite superiors of your children, etc. And thus make a personalized gummies meeting or party, or with the theme of which it is. As you can see, they can make them double flavor as well as the one I show them. Just leave the liquid halfway in a mold, and leave it to cool, and then since it has cooled, put it from the other flavor above. It looks very good, and you can already make the combination you want. I had stars, bananas and Mickey Mouse molds, but do them with those who have or those who like. Believe me that they will love them because they are delicious. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances, like the Facebook page, follow us on Twitter, and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very useful. Thanks for seeing us and hopefully they like this recipe. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.